Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on week 46, or the 46th assignment of Margarete Miller's collage assignments, and I am needing something steampunk or mechanical, and I am not up on what is steampunk, but this guy looked steampunkish to me, and this looked mechanical and steampunkish to me. So I'm going to use both of those just in case this guy isn't steampunkish, but I'm pretty sure he is. Something found in the desert. So I was thinking I really wanted to find like a really cool cactus to put in the background, but I don't have any pictures of cactuses. And so I was going to try to print one out from the internet, and I can't get my printer to roll the paper out. It gets stuck, but it's not you know, like caught in there. The roller isn't working, so that was out. So I did find this. I found all of these in my Underworld cut up this book, and I found this, and I thought he would be found in a desert. I think they call those sphinxes, and we'll put him down at the bottom, I guess. And then at the top, I'm going to find a scrap that I would normally throw away. I don't always keep these. I know a lot of people use them as like washi tapes, but I don't always keep them because I feel like I have enough scraps laying around. So that I would normally have thrown out. And I need a food packaging label. And I have this from Aldi, and I think I'm just going to probably cut out the tomatoes and use the tomatoes somewhere on here. And then the last thing is a candle or candle light. And I am not sure where I'm going to find that, but I'm hoping I have something in here, or maybe a sticker. And then I'm not going to use the bonus. So now I need to look for my candle. Oh, this looks like my layout. I just have to glue everything down. I found this candlestick, and I'm hoping it looks like he is holding it. I kind of tucked it in behind his arm there. So I'm gonna, whoops, it went down too far. Like that. And now we shall glue him down. I had a really hard time finding a candle. I found some old, like, early American magazines and home decor magazines, and this and the other one that I'm using is the only candles I could find in all my magazines. So I'm glad I found some, or one at least, that I want to use. Alright, so we've got him. He is actually going, yeah, I guess I have to glue this thing down first. I feel like this collage is just kind of like a collection of unrelated things. I have to put that down too. Which actually, if you think about it, they're all just a collection of unrelated things. And you make them related somehow, but I'm having difficulty, actually, with not just this one, but with all of them, of making them look like they're related. And don't get on his head. Don't get on Sphinx's head. There. So we got him down. My steampunk guy, and I guess we'll just go ahead and put this here, even though technically it doesn't even need to be there because he's my steampunk element. Oh, I have these gnats flying around me. I lost my tomatoes. Here we go. Yeah. I'm really not sure where to put the tomatoes. I'm trying to make this rounder. Except to maybe like do this. So that's what I'm doing. So we'll put this here. And then we'll check to make sure we have everything, but I'm pretty sure we have everything. And I hope those gnats are not getting in the camera, because that would be weird. Move over a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to put this here. This is my something mechanical. Maybe it's a mechanical tomato juice maker. Yeah, that's how I'll connect them. This guy is making tomato juice in the desert. Whoops. And this is his tomato juice making machine. So there we have it. Alright, we have our steampunk and mechanical element. Something found in the desert. That doesn't really fit unless we say he's making it in the desert. He lives in the desert. The food label. A scrap that I would throw away, and I'm skipping the bonus. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and well, and we'll see you again for the next assignment. Or you could look around my channel and look at all of the other things that I've done. I do junk journaling and bookmaking and all kinds of stuff. So hauls and other things. So if you feel like watching, go right ahead, and I would appreciate it very much. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.